Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Omar Apollo featuring Daniel Caesar with a song called Invincible. So this one is about 3 different chords, and yeah, we don't need any capo for this one, so let's start right away. We have the chords E to B minor 7 to F sharp minor 7. That is what's going on in this song. And I'm gonna give you just this basic strumming pattern, and I'm very aware of that is not the thing we're gonna play for the whole entire song, but this is a part that comes back into the song, and the rest of the song is kind of experimental and have a lot of other voices and sounds built into the song. But the actual chords will stay there through the entire song, and you can choose to play this kind of strumming, which I'm going to teach you soon, and that will work as a kind of a guitar song. All right, so let's start with the chords first. We have the E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. That's E. Next chord will be B minor 7. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. And that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. So that's the B minor 7. And the final chord will be the F sharp minor 7. So you bar second fret again. This time all strings. So all strings on 2nd fret, and the rest will be just 4th on the A string. Those are the chords, alright? So it goes like this through the entire song. We need to look at the strumming pattern. The first chord will be E, so let's grab an E. I'm gonna play 1 round of the strumming first for you, and then I'm gonna explain how it's done. So let's go. So we can divide this into 2 parts. So the first part will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Right? And the next part will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So that is the strumming. So we're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for E, 1 for the B minor 7 and 1 for the F sharp minor 7 chord. So a couple rounds of E2, B2 and F sharp 2, sorry, B1 and F sharp 1 will sound like this. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this song from Omar Apollo and Daniel Caesar called Invincible. So a short one, that's good sometimes. So good luck with this one, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.